Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy paste a picture in Canva. So in here, I want to copy the picture from this design into this canvas. So what you need to do is first click on the design, click on the image or picture, and here click on the three dots icon, and there will be an option to copy. Click on copy. Now go to the blank canvas, this one, and after that click on the canvas, long press on it, or you can just swipe until you just click on more, then click on paste. Okay, so this is the picture that I want to copy, and you can just drag it to input it into the frame. So that's the easiest way to copy a picture, to copy paste a picture from in Canva apps. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.